Mewing refers to a technique developed by Dr. John Mew, aimed at improving facial structure and potentially correcting certain oral posture issues. It involves correct tongue posture and mouth positioning to encourage proper jaw alignment and development. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to mew correctly. 1. Understand the concept. Mewing involves placing your tongue on the roof of your mouth, specifically on the palate, with the entire tongue making contact from the front to the back of the mouth. This helps to support proper facial growth and alignment. 2. Find your palate. Using your tongue, explore the roof of your mouth to locate your palate. It should be the hard bony area towards the back of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. 3. Relax your tongue. Before starting, ensure your tongue is relaxed. You don't want to tense up or strain it unnecessarily. 4. Correct tongue positioning. Gently place the entire surface of your tongue against the roof of your mouth. 5. Maintain lip seal. Keep your lips together in a relaxed but closed position. This helps to support proper tongue posture and breathing through your nose. 6. Practice breathing. Breathe slowly and deeply through your nose while maintaining the mewing posture. Nasal breathing is essential for optimal facial development. 7. Be consistent. Mewing is most effective when practiced consistently throughout the day, even during activities like eating, speaking, and sleeping. Aim to maintain proper tongue posture as much as possible. 8. Monitor progress. Pay attention to any changes in your facial structure or breathing patterns over time. Results may vary depending on factors such as age, genetics, and overall health. 9. Seek professional guidance. If you have specific concerns about your facial structure or oral posture, consider consulting with a qualified healthcare professional or orthodontist for personalized advice and guidance. 10. Be patient. Results from mewing may take time to become noticeable, so be patient and consistent with your practice. Remember that while mewing may offer potential benefits for some individuals, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations and to prioritize overall health and well-being.